So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here these 3 questions to answer on the topic electrolysis. So guys, this video will be about uses of electrolysis. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Also, if you want to answer any question at any point here in this video, you can always pause this video and try out to see if you can answer the question. So let's start with the first question here. It says, which of the following is not an example of electrolysis? A. Electroplating of silver onto a copper surface. B. Extraction of aluminium from bauxite ore. C. Dissolution of sugar in water to form a sugar solution. D. Decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C. Dissolution of sugar in water to form a sugar solution is not an example of electrolysis. So actually the dissolution of sugar is a physical process and does not involve any chemical change. So guys, that's the answer to this question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 2 here. It says, electrolysis is applied in the following processes except A. Extracting iron. B. Extraction of aluminium. C. Electroplating. D. Purification of copper. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. That's extracting iron. Electrolysis is not applied in the extraction of iron. Actually, electrolysis is a very expensive process and hence only used in very reactive metals such as the aluminium, copper, and so on. So that's it. So let's consider the next and the last question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following is not an application of electrolysis? A. Purification of metals. B. Purification of non-metals. C. Electroplating of metals. D. Extraction of elements. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's purification of non-metals. So purification of non-metal is not an application of electrolysis because electrolysis is a process that uses electric current to drive a non-spontaneous chemical reaction. It actually uses various applications such as electroplating of metals, extraction of metals, and purification of metals. But guys, purification of non-metals is not a typical application of electrolysis. So that's the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we want to also use this medium to encourage you guys to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on information relating to your JAMB. So guys, this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your JAMB, because you'll be getting a lot of information here in this our YouTube channel group. So guys, see you on the next video. Thank you once again for watching this video.